Welcome back, viewers. We have a quick update coming in from the Ranji Trophy season because Virat Kohli has made an epic comeback to the domestic format of the game. After 12 long years, he has now hit the nets with his Ranji team, which is Delhi, and he is all set to take on the Railways on January 30th, and this marks his comeback to the premier domestic cricket format as emphasized by the BCCI. Now all the top players are heading back to the basics, and that is focus on domestic cricket. There was a lot of discussion on whether or not Virat Kohli would play the domestic games for Delhi or not, but now things are very, very clear. Virat Kohli has hit the nets, and I have my colleague joining me live from the sports desk. I think it's Shane. Shane, it seems like Virat Kohli is back to the nets with his domestic cricket team, which is the Delhi cricket team. He's all set to take on the Railways. Tell us about how important this moment is for Virat Kohli, because it's after 12 years that he is making a comeback to the domestic format of the game.
Absolutely. He's not played a Ranji Trophy game for more than 12 years at this point. The last time was 2012. And it's doubly important for Kohli to get back into rhythm because he had a Border Gavaskar Trophy series to forget. It wasn't a good series for him at all. He got 100, but beyond that, consistently struggled to deliveries that were going outside of off stump. And so, as per the BCCI mandate that has been put in place for all senior players, he's going to be playing in the Ranji Trophy. He was expected to play in the previous match that Delhi were going to have against Saurashtra as well, but ended up missing out on that due to a neck sprain. No such problems now, though. He's hit the nets. He's been training hard with the Delhi team. In fact, we also got to know from certain sources that he turned down Delhi's captaincy. Being a senior player, of course, he'd get that right, but he said, no, I'm not going to be the captain and I'll just be a player. So the focus really for Kohli will be to correct the issues that he's been facing in international cricket in his comeback to the domestic game.
Right, Shane, many thanks for joining us with those updates. All eyes are on January 30th when Virat Kohli will take on the Railways in the much anticipated Ranji Trophy game. Now let's cut across to visuals coming in from Odisha, where the Prime Minister is currently addressing a mass gathering.
इसी से जुड़ा एक और नया सेक्टर कंसर्न इकोनॉमी का है, जिस देश में म्यूजिक, डांस, स्टोरी टेलिंग की इतनी समृद्ध विरासत है, जहां युवाओं का इतना बड़ा पूल है जो कंसर्ट्स का बहुत बड़ा कंज्यूमर है, वहां कंसर्ट इकोनॉमी के लिए अनेक संभावनाएं हैं। आप देख रहे हैं कि बीते 10 सालों में लाइव इवेंट्स का चलन और डिमांड दोनों बढ़े हैं। पिछले कुछ दिनों में आपने मुंबई और अहमदाबाद में हुए कोल्ड प्ले कॉन्सर्ट की शानदार तस्वीरें देखी होगी। ये इस बात का प्रमाण है कि लाइव कॉन्सर्ट्स के लिए भारत में कितना स्कोप है। दुनिया के बड़े बड़े कलाकार, बड़े बड़े आर्टिस्ट भी भारत की तरफ आकर्षित हो रहे हैं। कंसर्ट इकोनॉमी से टूरिज्म भी बढ़ता है और बड़ी संख्या में जॉब्स क्रिएट होती है। मेरा राज्यों से, प्राइवेट सेक्टर से आग्रह है कि कंसर्ट इकोनॉमी के लिए जरूरी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर पर फोकस करें, जरूरी स्किल्स पर फोकस करें।